Have you ever popped a piece of bubblegum in your mouth and wondered, how does it get so soft, stretchy, and sweet? Bubblegum is one of those treats that feels almost magical, with its bright colors, sweet flavors, and the way it transforms from a hard little piece into a chewy, stretchy delight as soon as you start chewing. Maybe you've tried to blow a bubble as big as your face, stretching the gum until it's paper thin and hoping it doesn't pop too soon. It's a fun challenge that never gets old, no matter how many times you try. Maybe you love the snap and stretch when you chew, feeling the gum pull and bounce back between your teeth and fingers. That satisfying stretchiness is what makes bubblegum so much fun to play with and chew. Bubblegum is not just a tasty treat, it's a tiny piece of science and magic. Every piece is carefully crafted to be just the right texture, so you can stretch it, blow bubbles, and enjoy it for as long as possible. People of all ages love bubblegum. From little kids trying their first piece to adults who never outgrew the fun, bubblegum brings smiles and laughter to everyone. Kids and adults try to see who can blow the biggest bubble, turning bubblegum into a friendly competition. It's a simple joy that brings people together, whether you're at a party, on the playground, or just hanging out with friends. But what makes this candy so bendy and elastic? Why can you stretch it so far without it breaking right away? There's a secret hidden inside every piece of gum. Why doesn't it just crumble or snap like a cracker? The answer is all about the special ingredients and the way they're mixed together. The answer lies in how bubblegum is made, right inside the factory. It's a fascinating process that combines art, science, and a little bit of fun. Making bubblegum is a lot like baking a really chewy, flexible cake. It starts with a special gum base, which is what gives bubblegum its unique stretch and chewiness. It takes the right ingredients, careful mixing, and some clever science. Sugar, flavorings, and softeners are all blended together with the gum base to create that perfect texture you love. Let's step inside the sweet science factory to see how bubblegum comes to life, one chewy piece at a time. We'll discover how each step in the process helps make gum stretchy, tasty, and fun to chew. Are you ready to discover the secrets behind your favorite bubble-blowing treat? Let's get started. Get ready to be amazed by the science, creativity, and care that goes into every single piece of bubblegum you enjoy. You might think all gum is the same, but bubblegum is different from regular chewing gum in some very important ways. The biggest difference is that bubblegum is made to stretch, really stretch. That's what lets you blow giant, wobbly bubbles. Regular chewing gum is designed mostly for chewing. It's soft, but it can break apart if you try to stretch it too much. Bubblegum, on the other hand, uses special ingredients to make it extra elastic. That means it can bend, pull, and inflate into bubbles without snapping. Another difference is flavor. Bubblegum usually comes in sweet, fruity flavors. Regular gum often tastes like mint, cinnamon, or even coffee. And bubblegum is often a bright color, especially pink, while regular gum is usually white or pale. So, the next time you're reaching for a piece of gum, remember, bubblegum was made with stretching and blowing bubbles in mind. That's its superpower. What exactly goes into bubblegum? It's a question you might have wondered while popping a piece into your mouth or blowing a giant bubble. Bubblegum is more than just a sweet treat. It's a carefully crafted product made from a blend of unique ingredients, each playing a special role in creating that classic chewy texture and burst of flavor we all love. The recipe for bubblegum might seem simple at first glance, but every part is essential. Each ingredient is chosen for a specific reason, and together, they create the perfect gum experience. Let's take a closer look at what makes up this iconic candy. Let's break down the main ingredients you'll find in every piece of bubblegum. Whether you're chewing classic pink or a wild new flavor, these components are always present. First, there's the gum base. This is the chewy, stretchy part that gives bubblegum its unique texture. Originally, gum base was made from chicle, a natural sap harvested from the sapodilla tree in Central America. Today, most gum bases are made from a blend of safe, food-grade synthetic materials like latex, resins, and waxes. These ingredients are carefully mixed to create a base that's both flexible and strong, perfect for blowing bubbles. Without gum base, bubblegum wouldn't have its signature chewiness or the ability to stretch into giant bubbles. Next, we have sweeteners. Sugar and corn syrup are the most common, giving bubblegum its irresistible sweetness and soft, smooth texture. These sweeteners dissolve slowly as you chew, releasing flavor over time. In sugar-free gums, artificial sweeteners like aspartame or xylitol are used instead. making them a popular choice for those who want to enjoy gum without the extra sugar. Sweeteners are what make bubble gum a treat for your taste buds. Then come the flavors and colors. Bubble gum is famous for its fruity flavors: strawberry, grape, watermelon, and even more exotic tastes like cotton candy or blue raspberry. These flavors are added as oils or powders, giving each piece its unique taste. Food coloring is also mixed in to make the gum look bright and fun. Pink is the most iconic color, chosen simply because the inventor of bubblegum only had pink dye available. Today you'll find bubblegum in every color of the rainbow, making it as fun to look at as it is to chew. Finally, there are softeners and preservatives. Softeners like glycerin or vegetable oil keep the gum moist and chewy, preventing it from drying out and becoming hard. Preservatives help extend the shelf life so your gum stays fresh from the factory to your pocket. These ingredients ensure that every piece of bubblegum is just as enjoyable weeks or even months after it's made. Altogether, these ingredients work in harmony to make bubblegum stretchy, sweet, and fun to chew. The next time you unwrap a piece, you'll know exactly what's inside and why each part matters in creating the perfect bubble-blowing experience. Making bubblegum starts with the gum base. The base is tough and solid at first, but it needs to be soft and stretchy for chewing. So, workers put the base into big metal kettles or mixers. These machines heat the gum base until it melts and becomes smooth and gooey. Like honey. The melted gum base is sticky and warm. It moves slowly, almost like lava from a volcano. The workers have to keep it moving so it doesn't clump or harden too fast. The mixers are powerful, spinning and folding the base so it gets just the right texture. At this stage, the gum base is plain. It doesn't taste sweet and it has no color or flavor yet, but it's ready for the next important step. Once the base is perfectly melted and mixed, the real fun begins. Now it's time to add sweetness, flavor, and color to turn it into bubblegum. Once the gum base is soft, warm, and perfectly pliable, it's time to add the ingredients that make bubblegum so irresistible. This is when the magic really begins, as sweeteners are carefully measured and poured in. Workers pour in generous amounts of fine sugar and thick golden corn syrup. These sweeteners are essential not just for taste, but for the texture and chewiness that make bubblegum so much fun to eat. The sugar gives the gum its delicious sweetness, while the corn syrup helps keep the mixture soft and flexible, creating that signature chewy bite that stretches and snaps. Inside the giant mixers, powerful paddles spin and churn, making sure every grain of sugar and every drop of syrup is blended evenly into the sticky gum base. This careful mixing is crucial for a smooth, consistent texture in every piece. Next comes the most exciting part: flavor. This is where bubblegum gets its mouth-watering, unforgettable taste. Technicians select from a variety of fruity flavorings, each one carefully crafted to create that classic bubblegum experience. These flavors are what make each chew burst with fruity goodness. Special oils and powders, like juicy strawberry, tangy grape, or refreshing watermelon, are added to the mix, infusing the gum with layers of flavor that linger as you chew. Each bubblegum factory guards its own secret recipe, blending flavors in unique combinations to create their signature taste. These recipes are closely guarded secrets, passed down and perfected over the years. To make bubblegum as fun to look at as it is to eat, bright food coloring is mixed in. This step transforms the gum from a pale, plain mixture into something truly eye-catching. Most bubblegum is famous for its bold, bright pink color, a tradition that started decades ago and still makes bubblegum instantly recognizable today. But bubblegum isn't just pink. Factories can create gum in every color of the rainbow, from electric blue to sunny yellow, making each batch unique and exciting. As the mixer turns, the coloring spreads evenly through the gum, turning it from a dull, pale shade into a vibrant, glossy masterpiece ready to catch your eye. All these ingredients, sweeteners, flavors, and colors, are mixed and kneaded together until the gum is perfectly smooth, stretchy, and bursting with taste and color. Now, with everything blended just right, the gum mixture is ready for the next step, shaping and cutting it into the fun, familiar pieces you see in stores, ready to be enjoyed by gum lovers everywhere. With all the flavors, colors, and sweeteners mixed in, the bubblegum is now a warm, sticky dough. To make it smooth and even, it goes into a kneading machine. This machine works just like kneading bread dough, pushing, folding, and squishing the gum until it's soft and lump-free. Once the gum is fully kneaded, it's ready to be shaped. The gum is rolled into long, thick sheets using giant rollers. These rollers press the gum to the perfect thickness, just right for chewing and blowing bubbles. After rolling, sharp blades cut the gum into pieces. Some gum is cut into sticks, others into small cubes or fun shapes. The shapes depend on the brand and the type of bubblegum being made. Each piece is carefully measured to be the same size. This helps every piece of gum look and feel just right when you open a pack. Freshly cut gum is still warm and soft. It needs to cool down before being packaged. The gum pieces are sent on long conveyor belts through cooling tunnels. Fans blow cool air over the gum to set its shape. This keeps the gum from getting squished or stuck together. Sometimes, gum pieces are coated with a shiny shell. For bubblegum balls or pellets, the pieces go into spinning drums. There, they're tumbled and sprayed with sugar or special coatings. These coatings make the gum glossy and keep it from sticking in the package. Before the gum is packed, workers and machines inspect it carefully. They check for the right size, color, and taste. Any pieces that don't look perfect are taken out. Finally, the bubblegum is wrapped and sealed in bright packages. Now it's ready for stores and for your next bubble-blowing adventure. What makes bubblegum so good at blowing bubbles? The secret is the special gum base. This base is stretchy and strong like a soft rubber band. When you chew, your saliva mixes with the gum, making it even more flexible. Regular chewing gum breaks if you try to blow a bubble. But bubblegum stretches into a thin film without snapping. As you blow air into it, the gum base holds together. The bubble grows bigger and bigger, until it finally pops. The ingredients in bubblegum are balanced just right. Too much sugar makes the gum crumbly. Too little elasticity, and bubbles won't form. Bubblegum makers test their recipes to make sure every piece can stretch, bend, and blow bubbles that really pop. That's the cool science behind every bubble you blow. Did you know the first bubblegum was made in 1928? It was called Double Bubble and was bright pink because that was the only color the inventor had. Since then, people have set records for the biggest bubble and the longest stretch of gum. Modern factories use amazing machines to make bubblegum. Robots and conveyor belts move gum from one step to the next. Computer systems make sure every batch has the right taste, color, and texture. Safety is important too. Machines keep everything clean and fast. Every piece of bubblegum is the result of careful science, clever machines, and a bit of fun. From melting the gum base to wrapping each pack, it takes skill and teamwork to make your favorite treat. So, the next time you unwrap a piece of bubblegum and blow a giant bubble, remember, there's a whole world of sweet science inside every chew.